Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to create this soft glam nude look. So if you love this look, please keep on watching. After moisturizing my face well, I am applying a primer on my face so that my pores become blurred and my makeup stays for longer. So the next step is to apply a foundation. Here I am applying the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is a matte foundation and medium coverage. So apply the foundation on face as well as on the neck. Here I am using a beauty blender to apply my foundation because as per me beauty blenders gives the best finish to a foundation, and the foundation blends really well with the beauty blender because it absorbs all the extra foundation. All the product details are given on my post, so you can check out the details from there. So now the base is done. I am going to conceal my under eye area with the concealer. It is also from Maybelline Fit Me range. I am applying a little bit under my eye area because this is a very soft kind of look, so I'm not applying too much. Just dabbing with the blender and also applying around my nose to conceal the darkness there. So now the base is done. I am just setting it with a compact, just applying the compact powder on my T-zone area because that is the area where I get creasiness more. After doing my base, I am going to fill my eyebrows and shape it and fill it with an eyebrow pencil. It is a chocolate brown eyebrow pencil from Nykaa. Just doing it very gently, not applying any pressure, filling it with small strokes wherever there are less hairs and brushing it with the spoolie. Eyebrows are very important because no matter how much makeup you do, if you don't do your eyebrows, your face will not look complete without it. Do small strokes, apply very little pressure and then brush it with the spoolie. And now my eyebrows are done. And guys, I am doing this video in natural light, not applying any filter, trying to keep it as real as I can. So for a eyeshadow, I am taking this nude color and blending it with a blending brush very gently in circular motion, applying it on my crease area and then taking a little bit of more and applying on my eyelid as well. I am blending it very nicely so that it looks even and don't look patchy. As I said, this is a soft glam look, so I'm not going to apply any false eyelashes and eyeliner. So I'm just curling my eyelashes and then applying mascara so that my eyelashes look bigger. Brushing my eyelashes in upward direction. I am first brushing it in the inner side and then just moving the brush in upward direction. Do not overdo it because then the lashes will stick to each other and will not look good. So guys, after applying the mascara, I am filling my lip with a lip pencil. It is a pinkish nude color and this lip pencil is from Nykaa. Filling the lips with a lip pencil before applying any lipstick will give a fuller look to your lips, and the pigmentation will be more and the lip color will stay for longer time. After that, I am applying a nude color from Lakme Absolute Matte range. This will give my lips a glossy effect. So now for the blush, I am taking the same lipstick and applying a little bit on the apple of my cheeks and blending it quickly with the blender. I am doing it so because it will match my lip color and will look very nice. I'm blending it with a blender because it is a matte lipstick and it will not blend with a brush, and I have to blend it very quickly as soon as I apply it. After applying the blush, it's time to add some shine to my face. I'm taking this Nykaa eyeshadow palette. Yes, I'm not taking any highlighter palette for this. I am applying it in the inner corner of my eyes with the brush. It comes with the palette only. So after that, I am applying the highlighter on my cheekbones with a fan brush. You can also apply it with fingers, and then on my nose, bridge of my nose, and on my cupid bows as well. See, I'm applying the highlighter on my brow bones with the same brush, and on the bridge of my nose with my fingers. It is not necessary that we do it with the brush only. We can always use our fingers. So now all the steps are done. Now I have to set my makeup with a makeup setting spray. Just quickly spraying a little bit on my face, and it will add shine to my face and my makeup will stay for a long time. So if you love this look, please like my video and share it, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well with the same ID, that amazing mom.